Hello, welcome to my channel. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon, as shown here in this first diagram. Forces of magnitudes 3F, 4F, 2F, 6F act along AB, AC, EA, and AF respectively. So all of that information is contained in this diagram here, which is a regular hexagon. We need to find the magnitude and direction of their resultant. Now, in this diagram, all we've shown is the direction of the forces as denoted by, let's say, A, B, and an arrow over that. We're not actually showing the magnitudes. They're given separately and are not represented by the lengths of these lines in this regular hexagon. Now, to start with it, or before we get started, you can see I've used the equivalent sign here. So this diagram is equivalent to just having a component in the x-axis and one in the y. And this is equivalent to the same here, now with a resultant r, which is what we intend to determine at the end of this. So let the resultant have components x and y. So let's get rid of this. Components x and y parallel to AB and AE. So parallel to AB and AE, as shown, we're going to resolve all our forces along AB and AE. And so first we have an x is equal to 3F at 4F cosine 30 degrees. Now, if you're wondering how we got that, if this is 60 degrees, then the remaining angle here is 120. And in this triangle ABC, then we'll have these two adding up to 60 degrees, which means this angle is 30 and this angle is 30, because this is an isosceles, simply because this whole diagram represents a regular hexagon. So we're resolving 4F into the horizontal plane, which is at 30 degrees. And this goes to minus 6F cosine 60 degrees. Now, I've covered this in detail, resolving forces in detail in my previous videos, so have a look. And this is equivalent to 2 root 3F. And for y axis, we have 4F sine 30 minus 2F at 6F sine 60. And this is equivalent to 3 root 2F. Now we can calculate r, which is equal to the square root of x squared y squared equal to f root 3 square root 2 squared add 3 squared. What I've done here is factorize. Let me make sure this is clear that the root applies to the whole thing. I factorized. Here you notice we have, oops, I made a mistake here. Is that, sorry, it's supposed to be root 3. Here we factorize because we have root 3f is common to both the component for x and also for y. So we factorized that and just squared the 2 and the 3 as x and y components respectively. And this gives us r equal now to f root 39 and in addition to the magnitude and direction, in addition to the magnitude, we also need to find the direction of the resultant. And for that, we have tan beta is y over x is equal to 3 root 3 over 3 root 3 over 2 root 3. So the root 3 is cancelled to give us 1.5. And therefore, we can conclude that the resultant is a force of magnitude. So the resultant, this conclusion is important, is a force of magnitude f root 39 and we've used the third root 39 to give the most accurate answer. If you're required to give a decimal or a rounding significant or to any particular significant numbers, that would be stated. But this has just asked us to calculate the magnitude and direction of their resultant. So we give the most accurate answer, which is inclined at an angle arctan or tan inverse 1.5 to a b. And there you have it. We've resolved our forces in the x-plane and the y-plane. We found the resultant in terms of f, and we found the angle at which the resultant is inclined with respect to AB. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Alistair. Bye for now.